This video made possible by Buy Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to set up a hotspot on a Samsung Galaxy S10. So first you want to go to the settings menu, and you can do that by pulling up and going to your apps and looking for the gear. And if you click on that, first section is connections, click on that. And you want to go down here to mobile hotspot and tethering, which is in this, I guess, third section down at the bottom. And here you can turn on and off mobile hotspot, and it takes a second to turn back on. And if you click on it, it will go to the sub menu where you can also turn it on and off, and it has some more information. So basically you can set the name here. If you click on that, you can set the name of your hotspot network. You can set the password. So you can also do a thing called Wi-Fi sharing. If you're not familiar with that, that's basically like, imagine if you're in a hotel and you can only connect one device to the hotel Wi-Fi, but you have multiple devices, including your computer, maybe your wife's iPad, etc., and you want to use all of them through one connection. That's what Wi-Fi sharing is. So basically I register on this and I can connect different devices to this guy that will connect through Wi-Fi but not cellular. So it's different than a regular hotspot. And then you can also see a list of any devices that may be connected to this device, and right now we have 0. So you can turn it on and off basically like that. And you can also still adjust the name and whatnot when it's disconnected. So that's the standard way. There's also a shortcut in the little control panel at the top. So if you pull this down and you pull down far enough from this section, you can actually see multiple rows, and there's mobile hotspot right there, amongst other things. So look for this guy. It might not be in the first row, but it's right there basically. And again, wait a second, and now this thing should be searchable. So you can turn it off again like that. So that'll save you some battery life if you only want to turn it on right when you need it and turn it off when you don't. Okay, so that's basically it for turning on and off a Wi-Fi hotspot, and also, of course, setting it up. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to check out our other videos for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and many other popular phones here on Howtechs. Thanks, bye. This video made possible by buymobile.com.au. SIM card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also